The emotions are always there. If you're not nervous or feeling something, you're not really living.
Oh, James Rispoli almost gets thrown off the bike coming out of turn 6.
It's nerves, it's pressure, it's all these things weighing you down.
There's a couple bikes that just got connected.
Is that Kyle?
Is it
Kyle Wyman
It is
hit the
Kyle
deck.
Wyman. Wow.
You can't do anything really great unless you have those feelings going into it. So I try my hardest to welcome those feelings.
There's no high and there's no low like there is in racing. Our goal is to win the championship. We wouldn't be here racing if we didn't feel like we were capable of doing that.
We've won the most races in 2022, we've won the most races in 2023, but we've had our issues that have kept us from bringing that championship home.
We're out to show everybody how much of a performance company Harley-Davidson can be and what we're capable of. We're trying to push the boundaries. We're trying to define performance in new ways. And every time we reach that new level, we want to go a step farther. And there's no better partner for that than Rockford Fosgate. They're a legendary brand to align with ours and to continue to work together and know that every time we get better, there's another level that we can achieve together is extremely important. We can learn both directions and keep moving each other forward.
Revs are going up. When they go off, we're rolling. Here we go, the mad dash to turn number 1, a left-hander at the end of this straight. Troy Herfoss needs this to be super clean. Slides it a little bit going in.
He made a mistake.
He did. He looks over his shoulder.
That's too bad. That's too bad that he did that again.
He tries to park him again, but Kyle Wyman's got the run on it. Kyle Wyman head down, full throttle, trying to hold off the advances of Troy Herfoss. To the line he goes, and Kyle Wyman ends up doing the double.
Man, I just can't thank the Harley-Davidson guys enough. I also want to thank Rockford Fosgate, all of the sponsors of the team.
I mean, this is what people want, you know, two factories going head to head. So that's what we're here, and you know, Harley's 1-3, baby. Woo!
2 podiums